this is my last experiment in the experiment where I'm using accessing contacts. Okay. Now for accessing contacts you need to get permissions, and this is where you ask for permissions. So Android has a feature wherein you where you have a function. When the permissions are changed, you could activate it. So here, over here, when the permission is granted, I could read the contacts, else I could display that the contact permission is denied. Enough. If the contacts are permission is accessed is granted. Now here okay, I'm declaring the usual variables where I'm using the text views and I'm linking it to the XML. Now here I'm reading the contacts. Okay, in the read contacts, I'm initializing a string buffer SP, a content resolver, and a cursor, and I'm using the cursor to get all the contacts so that I can access them. And every time, if there is any contact, if there is which is the cursor count is more than 0, if in such case I use a while loop so that I keep moving on all through the contacts, which is there in the cursor as saved as different cursors. Okay, now a contact has different factors like email ID, last name, first name, the image, and all that. So you need to access them individually and save them in various different variables. So here you have this is the function basically which is provided so that you can access the display name. So you can use cur, which is the cursor dot get string, and say that you have cursor dot get column index, and contacts dot display name. If you were to use let's say contacts dot id, you get the id of it. If you were to say contacts dot phone number, you get phone number. So over here, and you are using the photo URI, so you are saving in the image URI the display image of the contact, and the same with phone number. And finally you are appending everything into the string buffer SP. SP is the object of the string buffer which we declared earlier. So you are appending everything right back into the SP. Now these were now you can also access email similarly. So you are using a cursor, you are using a query, and you are using a content URI which is already provided to access the emails, to access the email contact type. Now you are again adding everything right into the appending everything to the string buffer as you go on, and then you are closing the cursor after every of the detail is taken. Now in order to parse an image, you cannot directly add it to the as a string buffer, so you need to actually parse an image to string buffer to string and then append it. This is what happens over here. So I'm appending, I'm actually parsing the image URI and then I'm appending it. Now this is where I display all the appended